Get ready for the dictation at the rate of 50 words per minute. Ready? 1, 2, 3, stop. It has become a common practice with us to organize big functions at a time when we should all be absorbed in a work of great magnitude. A lot of effort goes into pump and mere show and very little into work. We exhibit ourselves as though we were some commodity. This is true of all organizations in the country. In Delhi, nowadays there are any number of conferences, so many that one doesn't find time even to breathe. Of course, I too attend several of them because I am very much interested. How I wish silence would prevail in Delhi for some days and all the conferences would be stopped. New Delhi is jungle, a jungle of able men. You are lost in this forest of administration machinery because there are thousands of offices and roads. It is for scientists to examine this problem and suggest remedies. Through the activities of a growing nation must expand. But how and in what direction should they expand is the question. The child grows and looks handsome only when the body grows in proportion with the hands and feet. If the hands alone grow and not the feet, the child looks defective. That would apply to government offices also. In India, as in any other country of the world, there is a great need for engineers, and as our plans and schemes materialize, we shall be requiring more and more engineers. Not only engineers, but we need teachers also in great number, but we can't recruit them straight away. As our educational development plans mature, we shall be needing lakhs of teachers. Unless we foresee even now what we need after 4 or 5 years, we can't plan in such a way that we have enough of trained men to teach after 5 years. There are difficulties and bottlenecks in any undertaking. We have to improve and extend our health services, but we can't achieve this by merely planning on paper. Even money, which is required in large amounts, will not help us to achieve such expansion. It can be done only by having a sufficient number of experienced men who have had sound training. But it takes time to acquire experience, whether it be engineering or medicine or any other profession. One has to learn and work hard. Stop.